In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet a cord that consists of large and small 6-petal flowers. For work, you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. To begin, make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch through the first chain stitch. Then chain 1 to begin the first round and single crochet into the ring. Then chain 3 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the ring. Repeat, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the ring. We need to make 6 chain spaces of 3. I made 2. Continue, chain 3, and single crochet into the ring. Repeat again, chain 3, and single crochet. This is the 4th chain space of 3. Again, chain 3 and single crochet, 5, and now chain 3 for the last chain space, 1, 2, 3. Then insert the hook into the first single crochet, skip the chain stitch that we made on the beginning of this round and work a slip stitch through the single crochet stitch. The first round is made. Begin the second round where I will be crocheting petals. To start, slip into the first chain space, then chain 1 to bring up the yarn, and then chain 2 more for the petal. Continue double crochet 2 into the same chain space. 1 and 2. Again, chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet into the same chain space. The first petal is ready. To crochet the second petal, work into the second chain space of 3. Single crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet 2, 1 and 2, then again chain 2 and single crochet into the same chain space. Here we made 2 petals. Continue and work the same into each of next 4 chain spaces. By the end of this round, we'll have 6 petals. Here I made 6 petals. And now to complete the flower, make a slip stitch through the first chain stitch made on the beginning of this round. Here is this first chain stitch, insert the hook and work a slip stitch through. The 6-petal flower is ready. It is the first flower of our cord. Now to continue the cord, turn the work to the back. Make 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, and double crochet through the first single crochet here. Insert the hook through the single crochet stitch and double crochet through. Then turn to the front. Again, chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet through the double. Here is the double. Work through this double. Here, as you can see, I began the cord. I made two like sections. Here's the first one and the second one. Now let's continue and make it a little longer. Repeat the same, chain 2, then double crochet through the double that we've just made. Insert the hook in 2 strands and double crochet through. You don't need to turn the work anymore, work on the front. Keep repeating the same, chain 2 and double crochet through the double. Here I made 4 sections or rows of the cord. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is very important how many sections we do after each flower to have the certain distance in between the flowers. So here I did 4. And this last section is going to be the foundation for my next flower. So to crochet the second flower, single crochet into the space between the post of double crochet stitch and a chain of 2. Together they formed a ring. So work into the ring, single crochet, then chain 3 for the chain space, and single crochet into the same ring. Repeat again, chain 3 for the next chain space, and single crochet into the ring, working under the post of double crochet stitch. Again, chain 3. And now single crochet into the ring, but work under the chain stitches that are on the other side here. Just ignore this section of the cord and single crochet into the ring under the chain stitches. Here I made 3 chain spaces of 3. I'm going to crochet a 6-petal flower, so to do this I need to make 3 more chain spaces of 3. So continue, chain 3 and single crochet into the ring. It is the 4th chain space. Then again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet. Now chain 3 for the last chain space and make a slip stitch through the first single crochet. Round is completed and there are 6 chain spaces of 3 on this round. Now let's begin crocheting petals. But at this time, let's make the petals a little longer. So to start, slip into the first chain space, then chain 1 to bring up the yarn, and then chain 3 more to begin the petal. Now into the same chain space, treble crochet 3 times. Yarn over the hook 2 times to work a treble. 1, 2, and the last treble 3. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the same chain space. The first petal is made. It is longer than the petal we made in our first flower. Continue to crochet the second petal, work into the second chain space. Single crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, treble crochet 3, one, 2, and the last treble into the same chain space 3. Continue, chain 3 and single crochet into the same chain space. I made 2 petals. Continue, work the same into each of next chain spaces till the end of this round. My second flower is ready. I've just finished the last petal. Now to complete the round, make a slip stitch through the first chain stitch. The second flower is made, and to continue the cord, you remember, turn the work to the back, chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet through the first single crochet stitch. Here it is. Then turn to the front and continue the cord. Chain 2 and double crochet through the double on row below. Do not turn the work anymore. Continue on this side. Repeat chain 2 and double crochet through the double that we've just made. Insert the hook in 2 strands and double crochet through. Again, chain 2 and double crochet through the double. Here are my 2 flowers that are connected with a cord. This is the front, and let's take a look at the back. For demonstration, I made longer cord that consists of different size flowers. In this cord, I did small and large 6-petal flowers. And as you can see, some of the flowers I made closer to each other. And between some flowers, I made pretty big distance. In your cord, you can crochet just small or just large flowers, or you can combine them both. If you take a look at the back, you'll be able to count how many cord sections are made between the flowers. Here I did less, and here I did pretty long cord. Here between these 2 flowers, the large one and the small one, I made 2 sections. Here I did 3. If to count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I did 4 sections. So you can change the design and look of your cord by changing the distance between the flowers. You can add a bead to the center of each flower and your cord will be even more beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.